jackpot. Check this out. I've been saying this for years. You do not need a lot of money to make money in the Forex market. You don't. You just simply don't. All it takes is a minimum investment and knowledge. A lot of people are brainwashed thinking that they need thousands of dollars in investments to be able to make at least $1,000 a week, $2,000 a week, $3,000 a week. No, I believe if you have real knowledge, you could literally flip your $100 that you have. You could literally flip your $1,000 that you have. And there is no limit to how much you could flip that amount to. That's the beauty about Forex. In this video, I'm going to show you how to be able to do that. Because this is what I do on a consistent basis. Every single week, this is what I do. I take a smaller amount from my profits, I invest it in the market, capitalize on it, grow it to a tremendous amount, take the profit, and reinvest that smaller amount again. So in this video, I invested $3K and watch how I was able to make thousands of dollars using my strategy in the financial market. Check it out. Yeah, right now I'm currently floating $19,000 plus. You can come take a look. You can see what's going on. $19,000 plus being made. I already closed 1,000. But my balance is still going up like crazy. My equity is at 24,000. And you could see right here, price is going in my direction. That's for NASDAQ. It's about to do the next lower low. And I have RUSD going down like crazy. Perfect signal, that was called. Everyone is eating. Everyone is making profit. You can see perfect entry called. And right now, I'm about to reach 20,000 floating on this account because I know the direction of the market. Notice, the balance is not 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000. That's not the balance, right? The balance is not that. The balance was a $3,000 account. I made 1,000 plus on it and I'm floating now $21,000. The same like I would do on a 30, 40, 50K account. Like right here. You come check it out. This account, for example, is a real account. This is a 40K account. It was a 28, 25, $30,000 account. And you can see I'm floating 8,000 and I already closed $10,000 on this. Same like I'm currently doing on the 4K account, but just different. Notice the difference. A lot of money in the balance. Let's say it was like 28,000 or so. But compared to the other account, it's $3,000 balance. And I'm making the same or more on the other account, which had lesser in there. $20,000 plus floating. You could see. So that means then, hey, you don't need a lot of money to trade. Why am I showing you it like that? Because I'm showing you that you don't need a lot of money to trade, right? This particular account, I only used the $3,000 to grow it because that's what I wanted to risk. I already have more than that I could have risked, but I just wanted to completely risk $3,000. But I'm able to grow it completely to tremendous amount because I have the jackpot knowledge, the jackpot strategy, and I know where the market is going long term. Hey, right now I've closed a good amount of profit, but currently I have $12,000 floating, $11,000 plus, and as you could see, I've closed $5,000 already for the day. This is a real account, $5,000 for the day, currently floating $12,000. I'm going to secure more gains, let this trade go the right direction. This is RUSD pair giving me a lot of profit, gold sell giving me a lot of profit. Check out my trading view to see all the calls that I've called since June 1st. And I've been able to capitalize on those moves for the past 2 months now. This is the beginning of July, and now I'm capitalizing on the continuation of the long-term move, making tremendous profit in the market. Let's see how far we can go. Hey, right now I've closed a good amount of profit, but currently I have $12,000 floating, $11,000 plus, and as you could see, I've closed $5,000 already for the day. This is a real account, $5,000 for the day, currently floating $12,000. I'm going to secure more gains, let this trade go the right direction. This is RUSD pair giving me a lot of profit, gold sell giving me a lot of profit. Check out my trading view to see all the calls that I've called since June 1st. And I've been able to capitalize on those moves for the past 2 months now. This is the beginning of July, and now I'm capitalizing on the continuation of the long-term move, making tremendous profit in the market. Let's see how far we can go. Hey, right now it's the next day, and currently I'm floating negative $200 in negative, and I've closed negative $3,700 for the day. Now, although yesterday was a great day, more than $13,000 plus profit, today, because I was trading NAS 100, XPX 500, and also gold, I took some minor losses. I would say minor losses. If you really could calculate where I came from with the account and how much profit I was able to make on this account, that's amazing. That's tremendous. So yes, I took a small loss, and right now I'm currently floating. I do have USD JPY in, and you could come here to look at my screen to see exactly the pair that I'm trading that's gonna help me make this money back and some more. And that will be this pair right here that I'm looking at for a potential buy. It's coming very soon. I'm just adding some lines here just to, in some sense, predict where the market is going, although I'm not showing all the indicators on my strategy. But once you become a member, you definitely get access to all those indicators too. But right now I'm using one of the ones that we use in the strategy, which is Bollinger Band. And you can see I'm on UJ, and I am expecting price to go for a buy. If I were to hide these lines here, you could see what I'm expecting. I could have a trend line here just to see what's going on. On the daily time frame, this is how it looks. Although a lot of people may expect this to sell because they reach a high point, also head and shoulder pattern. Also, although they may be expecting to sell, but most likely I expect this price to go up for a buy, a long term actually, and keep going for a buy. And we have some news coming up. We'll see exactly what happened, and my goal is to make my money back using this account. Now keep in mind, guys, I trade these accounts because I already have a lot of profit, right? I trade these accounts because I make a lot of money in the market. Then I take a $3,000 account or less, and I just risk that $3,000, just like if I were to be able to have a $10,000 account or $20,000 account, $30,000 account, and I would risk 3K. But instead, I just take the 3K and I put it in one account, and I'm just risking that 3K just to increase my gains much quicker. And for me, it has been working. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I've been able to make money in the market using this system here that I've used for myself, and also how I'm able to use minimal risk based on all the profits that I've made in the past. Check it out right here. Using my plan, using my strategy, I've been able to capitalize and make big profits in the market simply by just using smaller accounts. I always tell people you don't need a lot of money because Forex is a real skill set that you have to learn so you can grow any amount of account balance that may be in front of you. You should be able to grow that account with the Forex knowledge, the jackpot strategy knowledge. As you could see here, I've been able to make money on this broker already. Look, $15,000 withdrawal waiting to be approved. Right now, this $15,000 came from this account that I'm currently still working with. I still have $4,000 in this account, and you could see, yes, I have taken a loss, but I've already withdrawn $10,000 out of it already. $13,000 already I've withdrawn for the, right here you could see for the week, $13,000 for the week. And if I go to the month, it'll show you all the profit I've been able to make. But you could see for the week I've already made $9,000 plus on this account. And look at the previous withdrawals that I've also had before, just to show you guys that I really just show you how to grow a smaller account. You know, that's the main important point. Anyone could make money if they have $1 million sitting in their account to trade. But how can you make money with $100 up to $10,000 in your trading account to take your skills and take your life to the next level, become a millionaire by doing that? Is by doing what I do, utilizing account and leverage to be able to grow your account, make withdrawal. You see here, this one, 13,000 was approved. Smaller withdrawals here was approved. Let's see the next page. Here's some more withdrawals here that was approved. And on page 3, you could see right here a couple big withdrawals that was approved as well. 4,500, 3,000, 5,000, 5,000, 100,000, 50,000, 100, $100, 10,000, 10,000. See, almost more than, you know, 150 plus thousand here has already been confirmed and withdrawn using this broker here and using the strategy that I use by using smaller balance and simply using this account to just grow it tremendously. I don't need to have all the money that I've withdrawn, or even half of it, or even 10% of it. I don't need all of that money in my trading balance to make more money. I literally made over $10,000 on a 3K balance this week. It's only Wednesday. I did that yesterday. Yesterday I took a loss. I'm going to keep my head up because that's a small loss compared to what I've made. That's the goal in Forex, is to minimize your risk and increase your profit. Stay tuned to see how I'm able to make UJ pay me to make up for the loss and also possibly increase my gains. If UJ do not go my way, then I will take a loss and I will show you guys, and then from there we'll see exactly where I end the final balance and the final profit that I've made trading this account. Stay tuned.